As you can see here, this is my typical rub. I got the traditional black peppercorns with all crushed. I got kosher salt, and I got brown sugar. I'll admit the brown sugar I'm doing grilling, but since I'm going to be doing some smoking later on, I'll use that. I'll use ginger, which I'll grate finely. Also garlic that I'll chop up well. I got some cumin right here, and I got some New Mexico red chili, and this is my typical rub that I use. But if I were making lamb, I would add olive oil and rosemary to it. If I was making some type of fish or maybe shrimp, I would add cilantro and lime and olive oil. Or if I was making chicken, a thyme and maybe some lemon or lime. And pork, which I'm going to be doing later on, what I do is I'll cover the meat with just typical yellow mustard, then put this rub on top of it, and it should work pretty well.